Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. I know I have been lacking videos on my channel for the last few weeks. Therefore I uploaded some old videos that hasn't seen the light yet, and today is gonna be an update on the car. Oopsie. DRS Preformance. And there she is. Woo! Awesome. The last episode you saw was taking the car to the dyno at DRS Preformance. I couldn't be there for the dyno part because I was working, and he did a bunch of pulls on the car, trying to get some stuff sorted out with the dash and some gauges and stuff. However, on the last pull the engine started making funny noises, and he called me and said we're gonna stop and we need to figure out what's wrong with the engine. When I got home from work, I fetched the car, took it to my garage, and I actually filmed the whole weekend in the garage, figure out what's wrong with the engine. And the plan was to edit everything when I was on vacation in Sweden. But then I needed the camera for something else, and I actually lost the whole full footage of me doing that. So that's something I'm not very proud of, but I can tell you guys what happened with the engine was the glow plug on cylinder number 5, it broke off somehow. and it fell down in the cylinder, and it trashed the piston, and it trashed the cylinder head and the valves. So that wasn't very good. I pulled everything apart, pulled the head. The head gaskets looked fine, but the head and everything, that it didn't look so good. I sorted out the head the best I could with the things I have in the garage, grinding down some big craters on the cylinder head, and also did the same with the piston. Got some new rings on the piston, and I actually, one small part of the piston broke off in the top, so I grind it down. It breaks so far on the side, and it didn't break so much down on the side of the piston, but I sorted it out so it couldn't break again. I assembled the whole thing, timed the pump, and got it in. It was a bit of an issue to time the pump because something didn't line up as it's supposed to. I started the car up, and it went like junk. I tried it like 6 more times to time and to change stuff. Didn't end up good, so I pulled the engine out of the car. It's actually right behind the camera on an engine stand I built with the gearbox and everything mounted on it, so I can work on it and see what's wrong. But the main reason I pulled the engine is to think of what I was supposed to do, and now you wonder this engine. This is the 1JZ, and I'm gonna be working on the 1JZ to put it in the BMW. Why I'm going to do that? It's because it's easy horsepower, a well-proven method that works. It delivers like 400 to 500 horsepower all day. Not with the setup right now, but it can do that. And the reason why I'm going with the 1J is because I really want to drive. I don't want to just be in the garage wrenching and don't get any seat time, and seat time is important, so that's why I'm going with the 1J for now, and see if I can get it to work with the old stuff I get, with the old harness and the old ECU and everything as a starter, and then afterwards maybe I get a standalone ECU from Max ECU from Sweden, or and new everything so I can get more power out of the engine. It also means I need to buy a new gearbox, so I'm gonna buy a new gearbox from Sweden, from Branta. It's a BMW gearbox, 6-speed, welded with the 1JZ cover, so it fits the engine. Clutch and flywheel, I don't know if I'm going to be go with the original for starters. Another clutch disc, of course, so it fits the BMW gearbox.